dear student, welcome to your science class. Student, today we will do remaining question answer of lesson 6. Student, before starting today's question answer, I will repeat question number 1, 2 and 3. Now, question number 1, why do animals move? Animals move from one place to another in search of food and shelter. Now, second is, what is reproduction? Now, answer, reproduction is the process by which living things produce more of their own kind. Okay, now clear? Now, student, third, how do animals feel changes around them? Animals feel changes around them with the help of their sense organ. Students, you know how many sense organs do animals have? Yes, there are 5 sense organs that are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Now student, let's start today's work. Student, first of all mention date. Now class work, name of the chapter. One more thing student, you will start today's work from new page. Okay. Now question number 4, write any 4 differences between a living thing and a non-living thing. Okay. Now answer differences between a living thing and non-living things. Now you will draw a line, then one part living thing and another non-living things. Now first difference between the living things and non-living things is living things need food to live and grow. Now non-living things do not need food to live. Second is living things, they can move on their own, and the non-living things, they cannot move on their own. Student, living things move from one place to another in search of food, shelter and to protect themselves from enemies. On the other hand, non-living things cannot move on their own. You know, they move only when someone moves them. Now student, third, they need air to breathe. Okay. Now on the other hand, non-living things, they do not need air to breathe. Student, animals and plants breathing is part of a process called respiration. During respiration, a living thing takes in oxygen from the air and give out carbon dioxide. Now fourth difference between the living and non-living things. Yes, fourth is living things they die and non-living things they do not die. Living things cannot live forever. Plants, animals and human beings die. Non-living things like books, toys and chairs do not die. They remain same forever. Now student, question number 5. How do plants breathe? Now, how do plants breathe? Yes, how do insects breathe? Okay. Now, how do insects breathe? Yes, insects breathe through air holes present on their bodies. So, how do insects breathe? Insects breathe through air hole present on their body. Now, student 6. how do plants breathe? Okay, now how do plants breathe? Plants breathe through stomata present on the leaves. Plants breathe through stomata present on the leaves. Now student, after completing question answer, we will do match the following. Okay, now match the following. First is a seed grow, answer, into a plant. A seed grow into a plant. Now second is all birds, that means all birds lay eggs. Third is non-living things do not die. Fourth is living things means reproduce. Fifth is living things need food. Student, now listen properly. I am retelling you. Yes, first is a seed grow into a plant. Second is all bird lay eggs. Third is non-living things do not die. And fourth is living things reproduce. Fifth is living things need food. Student, homework. Learn question answer of lesson 6. Have a nice day. Thank you.